I walk in slow, feels a quiet breeze. The same velvet whispering my name. Every spotlight turns its face to me. Like you always knew I'd come reclaim. No map, no guide, just destiny. A door unlocked the day I believed. This is the stage that waited for me. Holding its breath till I found my feet. When I think the shadows rising gold, like they knew my story before I spoke. This is the stage I waited for me, waited for me. Every echo opens like a flower, blooming in the rhythm of my heart. I'm not chasing, I am the power. I've been the magic from the start. This is the stage that waited for me. Holding its breath till I found my feet. When I sing, the shadows rising gold, like they knew my story before I spoke. I step forward and the horde agrees. This is the stage that waited for me.